Hi friends, good morning all. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today I will be talking about how will you handle the stress of failure, because failure is very much important to handle. If we can't able to handle properly, it will destroy us. It is really hard truth that it will destroy us if we don't able to handle our fear of failures, because this failure word is like attacking. It attacks our mind consciously or unconsciously, thinking that we can't able to progress in our life because this is the failure, and we are giving hell lot of excuses to ourselves that these are the excuses which satisfies our failures. And see, our mind behaves also like that only. Okay, because there is a thin line of difference between your mind and your wisdom. That is, your human brain is having two part, it is conscious mind and subconscious mind. Okay, the conscious mind is just telling, just getting what that pleases our mind. Okay, but what is there in our subconscious mind lets us to believe what is right for us. Okay, so we have to think what is actually right for us and we have to work for that. So how can we understand that this failure is good for us or not? Okay, we have to understand, okay, failure are just a part of our life. Failures are the pillars of success. Okay, so what can we do to overcome that fear of failures? Okay, so we have to understand why that thing came. That is first of all we need to understand why that failure came. Okay, what was the main reason? Write it down on a piece of paper. Okay, these are the causes of my failures. If we remove this one by one, then the chances of becoming successful will increase slowly day by day. Okay, so we need to work on it. We need we it's very easy to just get rid of it, to just get back of my failures, whatever we have faced in our life. It is very easy, but to overcome it by taking it as a challenge, okay, and working on your failures is just, it's little difficult at start, but it is awesome at the end. Okay, so every difficult task is difficult at the starting, but it is awesome at the end. But we need to have a long term vision. Okay, if there is some long term vision with you, then that failure will not be an obstacle for you. Okay, that failure can become an obstacle for you if and only if there is no long term vision, there is long term goal associated with your thought. Okay, and if you are just thinking for a short term basis, then that failure will kick you, then failure will stop you from achieving what you really want in your life. But if you want to dream something big, if you want to achieve something big in life, okay, then these failures are just a part of your life. Okay, just think like if you were preparing for competitive exams, you have given lot of tests to clear that competitive exams, right? Have you cleared it at first instance? Let's suppose if you want to become an IAS officer. Okay, and lot of people has given lot of tests and very few people, 0.005% people qualifies at first attempt. Okay, so that means 99.995% people fails in first attempt. Okay, so that is a thing we need to understand, that failures are there in every field. It is there in every aspect, whether you are preparing for exam, whether you are doing job, whether you are progressing in your relationship, whether you are progressing in your whatever passion you are driving you from within, whatever thing you are progressing towards, whether you are starting up your own business, everywhere failure is there, friends. Everywhere failure is there, and we need to learn the skill to fight against your failures, because fighting is the only way out. You can't back down, you can't go back, because backing off is very easy, everyone is doing that. But the main thing that only 5% people are doing is to fight with it. Take it as a challenge and fight with it, because God will test us. Okay, God will never allow anybody to become successful. God will test our patience. God will test whether we deserve to be successful in our field or not. Okay, so because there are a lot of competition, hell lot of competition in every field, whatever you choose. So there is a test that we need to pass. Okay, if we pass that test, then surely we will be successful. Okay, in terms of wealth, in terms of health, in terms of your respect, name, fame, these all things will be there with us if and only if we are facing the challenge and we are fighting against it. To just by hook or by crook, you need to grab it. Okay, you need to have that courage to fight against your fears of failures and fear of anything which you are having, and just have that faith ki I'm having that confidence and I will be getting that my goal one day or the other. And I'm having a long term vision that one day I will achieve that goal, and I will do anything for that. Anything that comes in our way, I will fight that obstacle with my full potential, and I will achieve it one day. Okay, so that trust, that enthusiasm and that courage should be there within you, which will force you to wake up and work every day for your dreams, for your goals. Just remember, friends, with what purpose you are doing, whatever you are doing in your life, there must be some purpose. Okay, you are studying, there was a purpose that you want to be stable and successful in life. You are doing job, you want to earn some money. That's why you are doing job. Okay, you are running business. Why? Because you want to create a legacy. Everything which we are doing in our day-to-day life, there is a reason associated with it. So if you are associating a reason with the purpose, with whatever things you are doing, then everything will become a definite thing, everything will become a realistic thing. And main thing which is most important is we have to follow the smart work technique. We don't need to follow hard work. Smart work means specific. We need to be specific about what we want in our life. That is most important. If we are not specific, then just if you want to reach a destination, for example, if you want to reach by train to a specific location, let's suppose from UP to Bangalore, from UP to Karnataka, if you want to go, you have to be very much specific from which city to which city, which place you have to catch the train. Everything you are so specific. That's why you are able to reach your goal, correct? So you need to be specific in what you want. Second thing is measurable. It should be measurable. Whatever you want to achieve in your life, you must measure it. It should not be unrealistic. Okay. Second is achievable. You can't say that within one night I will be having 1 lakh rupees in my bank account. It's not possible. So whatever dream you are making, make it achievable at least, and make it realistic. And it should be a time bound. Okay, if there is no time specific, if there is no time foundation, then that goal is of no use. It's just like writing a piece of paper and throw it away. Okay, if you want to be successful, then you have to be time bound. You have to follow some specific standards. That goal must be measurable and achievable, and must look realistic, that it is achievable in due course of time. So these concepts, these points, if you follow in your day-to-day life, then definitely you will be successful. And see, failures and challenges are a part of life. It will come. Okay, it has come in everybody's life. Just tell me one person who doesn't face that failure, who doesn't face the fear, who doesn't face nervousness. There is no person who hasn't faced these things. Everybody who has been successful, they have been successful by going through these successive failures. Okay, then only they have become successful in life. Okay, so we have to understand this, failures are part of life. We need to face it. We have to face it. Okay, and these will become pillars of our success. If we are not facing failures, then how will it become our pillar? Because if you want to reach a goal, there must be some staircase through which you will go and reach your goal. Okay, same thing happens in our life as well. Take it as a challenge. Take it like I need to crack it anyhow. Take it as a challenge, and you will see wonders with your life. So thank you, friends. I hope you have liked my video. Keep posting me, and just like my video if you liked it actually. Thank you, friends.